Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. Today we're learning English in supermarket. If you like it, please subscribe and turn on the bell.
I enter the supermarket. I enter the supermarket.
I go to the fruit section. I go to the fruit section. I pick red apples. I pick red apples. I walk to the vegetable section. I walk to the vegetable section. I pick fresh vegetables. I pick fresh vegetables. I go to the dairy section. I go to the dairy section. I choose low-fat milk. I choose low-fat milk. I pick up some eggs. I pick up some eggs. I go to the meat section. I go to the meat section. I choose fresh chicken. I choose fresh chicken.
I look for fresh orange juice. I look for fresh orange juice.
I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. I put fresh orange juice in my cart. I put fresh orange juice in my cart. I buy some bread. I buy some bread. I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of sugar.
I buy a bag of rice. I buy a bag of rice.
I buy some cheese. I buy some cheese. I choose my favorite tea. I choose my favorite tea.
I go to the checkout counter. I go to the checkout counter.
I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt. I pay with my card. I pay with my card.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you, dear.
I carry the heavy bags. I carry the heavy bags. I walk to the parking lot. I walk to the parking lot.